Hi guys! So my name is Princess and I want to play. Wag yan, dun sa kulay green. I want to play. Hindi, tingnan mo. I want to play guys a murder mystery 2, but I want to say it English for today, but I want to English now and I don't like I don't like my viewers is she like I am English then and my sister she like I am Filipino girl, but I am not Morena. Inuzang. So I put on my YouTube, but the this is not my real YouTube, but she's my brother YouTube, but it's okay because this is my phone and she's not available. It's called Ayaw! So cold, oh my god. So, and this guy. She's my sister, guys. Oh my god. This guys, you know what? Who is this guys? Ay, nag-live ka? Who is this guys? She's my sister, but she have a death gun because she's for mine, and she have like died. Guys, the really of ang hirap mag-English. Ito na. Ayan. I have a jellyfish, but I want this. Because, why many people this one? Why? What? What? Yay! I have a bucket. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, yun na. Pasok. Yay! Dito tayo sa dagat. Yay! I have a gun. Oh, please, Lord. Palms, please. Ah! It's so liar, guys! You're so liar. It says liar. Bro, I have a stencil. Why are you sorry? Oh my god. So guys, and I don't know. Magtatagalog na tayo yan. I can speak Tagalog now. More. Guys, eto na, magtatagalog na ako. Mamaya na ako mag-English. Hirap na ako, nauubo pa ako. Ayaw na paupuin. Ay, grabe. Ay. Hala, sabi na umay na. Oy! So guys, I not have a part 2 like this. And, I can don't know. Oh, innocent wing. Galing magtago. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. She's so... Oh my god. Dead. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Hi! Sige na. Tanga. Di na kita talaga bati. Kita mo. Oh my god! Oh my. Sige, I want to try this.
I want to
Because
try number.
I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Ang hirap. Sana all because sure. So let's speak guys. Mag-English na ulit ako.
Parang hindi ko masabi
Ay puki. Seriously. Puki. Guys, I want to say I am Filipino girl, but I want. Oh my god. Bro. She dead. R.I.P. Sheriff. Hey! Why you died too? I think because you are not here. Why I am stuck? Oh, nothing. Someone to ask me. So many people who want me. So many already. Oh, fuck you. Oh my. Minsan na nga lang magkuha-kuha ng kinam. Di pinapansin dadapi urang mahiritan sa'yo lang ang tinginan. Guys, I want to buy it, but I have guys a 1,000 for a month, but now I not have. But I ba't makinis yung sound? Ay, hala. So many people just
It's good. Ilan? Ano ka?
alin ang spelling?
Shape.
English.
English, Spanish.
English.
Spanish. English.
English.
English is
No.
ano ka nga? Ano?
English. So guys, let's go to play RP now. I hate my sister because she's shot me or killed me. Alexi, 1, 2, 3, Filipino. Okay, that's good. She's AFK, I know. Let's finish. Let's finish this guys, because I upload this in my YT. I am baby M, but I am so adult now. I am grade 3 or grade 4. But my height is for adult. I don't know, but I am 9 years old. Yes, I am 9 years old, but I don't want to speak that. So guys, I have a story for you guys, because my classmate is 8 years old or 7 years old, and I am 9 years old. So she said I am mag-Tagalog muna ako saglit lang. Sabi ng kaklase ko sa akin, ate, and she said, ah! She said, sister for me, and
So you no love me?
you do remember me? The cylinder.
You do remember love me?
Oh, let's quit the game, Dizarp.
I hate
So
you,
bye
I hate
guys.
you, I hate you.
So guys, my TikTok is blind, but but it's okay, and that's my favorite, and bye guys.